Back button focus is a powerful feature available on the Nikon Z8 that can significantly enhance your photography experience. By separating the focusing function from the shutter button, you gain greater control over when and how your camera acquires focus. This allows you to lock focus on your subject and then recompose your shot without worrying about the camera refocusing each time you press the shutter. As a result, you can achieve more precise compositions and capture moments exactly as you envision them. Adopting back button focus is a simple adjustment that can lead to more consistent and creative results in your photography. Back button focus is a camera setting that allows photographers to assign the autofocus function to a button on the back of the camera, rather than the traditional half press of the shutter button. By separating focusing from the act of taking a picture, photographers gain greater control over when and how focus is achieved. This separation is particularly useful in dynamic situations, such as sports or wildlife photography, where maintaining consistent focus is crucial. It also helps prevent accidental refocusing when pressing the shutter, ensuring that the subject remains sharp. Ultimately, back button focus offers enhanced precision and flexibility, empowering photographers to capture their intended shots with confidence. To enable back button focus on the Nikon Z8, start by turning on your camera and pressing the menu button. Navigate to the Custom Settings menu, which is indicated by the pencil icon. Scroll down to the Autofocus section and select AF Activation. Here, choose the Enable AF On Only option. This setting separates autofocus activation from the shutter button, allowing you to focus using only the AF On button on the back of the camera. Back button focus offers significant advantages for action photography. By separating the focusing function from the shutter button, photographers can maintain continuous focus on moving subjects without the risk of accidental refocusing. This technique allows for smoother tracking of unpredictable motion, ensuring that subjects remain sharp as they move across the frame. As a result, capturing decisive moments becomes more reliable, giving photographers greater control and consistency in fast-paced shooting environments. Back button focus is a valuable tool for wildlife photographers, offering greater control over focusing in unpredictable environments. By separating the focusing function from the shutter button, you can lock focus on a moving animal and be ready to capture the perfect moment without refocusing each time. This technique is especially useful when subjects move erratically or when you need to react quickly to sudden changes. With back button focus, you can maintain sharpness on your subject and increase your chances of capturing those fleeting, once-in-a-lifetime shots. Focus shutter separation offers significant benefits for portrait photography. By decoupling the act of focusing from taking the shot, photographers can ensure that the camera locks focus precisely on the subject's eyes or other important facial features. This technique reduces the risk of missed focus, especially when working with shallow depth of field. It also allows for greater creative freedom in composing the image, as the photographer can reframe the shot after focusing without losing sharpness on the key elements. The result is consistently sharper, more expressive portraits. Here, we see a side-by-side comparison of images captured with and without back button focus enabled. The photos taken using back button focus demonstrate noticeably sharper subjects, as the photographer can lock focus independently from the shutter release. This separation allows for greater compositional flexibility, making it easier to reframe the shot without losing focus on the intended subject. As a result, images benefit from improved focus accuracy, especially in dynamic or unpredictable shooting scenarios. Back button focus on the Nikon Z8 offers greater control and flexibility, helping you capture sharp, well-timed shots in a variety of situations. By separating focusing from the shutter button, you can respond more quickly to changing scenes and maintain focus on moving subjects with ease. If you haven't tried this technique yet, it's a simple adjustment that can make a significant difference in your photography. Give it a try and see how it enhances your shooting experience. We'd love to hear about your results and invite you to stay connected for more helpful tips.